Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Vivofit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this smartband from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our smartband. So, let's open the application. In the application, let's tap on More, tap on Garmin Devices, select the Vivofit 4 from the list of devices, and here we should, or now you should see the device page for your Garmin Vivofit 4. Now, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Here tap on Close, close the application. Now open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Bluetooth. Find the Vivofit 4 on the list of My Devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget the device to confirm. And the Vivofit 4 should disappear from the list of My Devices. And at this point, the smartband is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.